Hello fellow RC enthusiasts. Today I will be using these tire markers on an x-maxx and an FCX 18. I'm going to remove the tires and clean them with degreaser because that is what the first step is. The next step is to shake the pen for a few seconds with the cap on. Next, it says to press the tip on the surface until the ink starts flowing. Now I have to outline the letter or shape and then fill it in. It's so small I don't have to outline it or fill it in. I did the first layer, and I'm going to wait for about 10 minutes before doing the next layer. It says to apply 3 coats for the best results. I found it was easier after I did the first tire because this is running lower on ink, so it looks a lot better, and I was able to be a lot more precise with these tiny letters.